Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video for an exhaust. This right here is the Revel Medallion for the EP3 Honda Civic Si. I got this exhaust a couple of months ago. The car is not a stock K20A3, it is a K24A Swap. It also has a Skunk 2 Alpha race header and an intake on it. I just wanted to make a real quick video because when I was researching the exhaust, I didn't see a whole lot of options out there. So like I said, this is a K24A with a Skunk 2 Alpha race header and a Revel Medallion exhaust.